The 2020 Ford F-150 Cattleman Edition by Long McArthur Ford. There are a lot of reputed aftermarket companies these days like Hennessey, Roush, and so on, whom you can entrust to do a good job on every car they tweak. But that's not feasible for everyone, cost-wise. Then there are other companies that will do it for cheap, but will you trust them to do a safe job? People are skeptical about going to them as it may void the factory warranty and who knows, maybe even mess around with insurance claims in worst-case scenarios. However, there is an option to do inexpensive mods these days at dealership level as well. One such Ford dealership which goes by the name of Long McArthur has come up with a Cattleman Edition for the F-150. This no-nonsense package has most of the stuff required for a work truck. Feels fresh to see packages for the work trucks in the slew of futuristic trucks these days, right? What makes the F-150 Cattle Edition special? First things first, the package can be installed on any Ford F-150. Long McArthur has 3 examples at its dealership with the kit applied. There are only additions here, no eliminations. These are all 2020 Ford F-150s in XL trims with the regular cab and 8-foot bed. The package is built by keeping farmers and ranchers in mind. Up front, the stock front features a ranch hand grille guard to protect from any unfortunate frontal collision. It covers the grille completely and wraps around the stock C-shaped headlamps and a portion of the bumper as well. The dealership has installed a 2-inch front suspension lift that actually gives the truck a better stance than the stock version. The height will help if you need to clear the field without scraping the body. Long McArthur also swapped the stock wheels with an 18-inch XD set that has a gloss black finish to it. These wheels are wrapped in 35-inch fuel off-road tires that add to the functionality and make the truck look bulky. Apart from these mods, there is a black tint on the windows as well as on the rear windshield. There is no difference in the derriere, but the truck bed receives a spray-in bedliner to protect it against rough use. At least the farmers and ranchers can throw in rocks, shovels, and other heavy items without thinking twice. The sides of the truck receive a 4x4 Cattleman decal that looks absolutely stunning. Overall, the Cattleman package adds all the necessary things needed by someone who will use this solely as a work truck. On the inside, there aren't many changes done. The 40/20/40 split seats are wrapped in vinyl, so they can be cleaned easily and can also handle abuse better. There is also vinyl flooring so you won't worry about stepping in with muddy shoes. Remember, this is the XL trim of the F-150, so you're getting the most basic spec. The other features include AM/FM radio, manual windows, manual locks, rear view camera. The dealership's inventory comes with the Coyote mill under the hood. The 2020 F-150s used by Long McArthur for the Cattleman Edition are plonked with a 5.0-liter V8 engine that makes 395 horses and 400 pound-feet of torque. The engine is stock with no change in power figures whatsoever. Power is sent to all the wheels via a 10-speed automatic gearbox that not only helps you stay in the powerful mid-range all the time where all the power lies, but it also helps in keeping the engine efficient. To put it into numbers, the engine returns 17 miles to the gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on highways. With this engine under the hood, the Ford 150 can tow up to 11,600 pounds and comes with a payload rating of 3,270 pounds. Speaking of the lift job on the truck, the Cattleman package comes with a 2-inch suspension level kit. Suspension kit jobs are not very sophisticated and are simple to install as well. Today's modern trucks these days are raised a little higher in the back than the front so that the truck bed doesn't hit the road when it tows to its full capacity or is filled to the brim. So, leveling kits raise the front end to match the rear and to let users fit bigger tires on all the 4 corners. This, in turn, increases the ground clearance as well. The leveling kits are paired with spacer blocks on the rear leaf springs to provide a slight lift on all 4 corners. This way the stock stance is retained as it is. Some are usually made up of a metal puck that's bolted to the truck's front strut assemblies. The struts are then put back on and you have the desired result. These are generally limited to a maximum raise of 2 inches. Another change involves the recalibration of the speedometer. Since the truck rides on bigger tires, the accuracy of the speedometer changes, thus resulting in false data that is displayed. To sort this out, Long McArthur Ford offers speedo recalibration, which I'm assuming is provided by Hypertech because the dealership has used it before. The Hypertech calibrator makes use of USB cable and a CD that contains the required software for recalibration without using other tuning features. The Cattleman package can be installed on any Ford F-150 or Super Duty for the price of $5,995. Long McArthur is also offering a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on the F-150 Cattleman. So, you don't need to worry about the additions hampering the warranty. The F-150 Cattleman is a package with all the practical essentials in place. Then again, $5,995 is a little too steep considering the target market. Although the individual package price can remain the same, Long McArthur can perhaps reduce the price of the package if the F-150 is purchased from them. But with the raised stance and the beefier tires, the F-150 with the Cattleman package looks great and will serve the purpose it was made for. Love it. Cattleman 4x4 decal deserves a special mention. The 2-inch lift kit company warranty not hampered. Leave it a little too expensive. The grille doesn't protect the headlights.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.